Hello, I'm a California corporate tech lawyer behind the Tokenization Agreement Generator. I'm going to explain you what it does and how it can help protect you from liability, which is something you definitely need protection from if you're dealing with tokens. There is always a risk that they can be reclassified as securities, which will subject you to enormous disclosure requirements, expensive compliance requirements. But with a proper agreement in place, you can definitely save yourself some money and headaches. So let's see how it works. Issue information, pretty straightforward. Fill in where it's registered. Most popular jurisdictions are like Delaware, Wyoming, Cayman Islands, Singapore are pre-populated, but you're not tied to those. You can enter your own. Basic token information, whether it's a utility token, security token, payment token, big difference, you need to spell it out. What exactly it offers. The liability implications can be enormously different. Token standard, whether it's Ethereum, Binance, Tron, Solana, anything else, which network is it on? Whether it's the Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, you know better than I do your tokens. What is the total supply? The form automatically updates, and what you're changing is in highlights. Is it a 5-cent token or is it a 10-cent token? Fill it in. The purpose of it, this is important to describe. Whether it's a private sale, pre-sale, airdrop, public sale, security token offering also makes a big difference. Call a lawyer if you're not sure. It can be more expensive to know the difference if you're messing around with tokens. Distribution schedule. This is up to you also to fill in any way you want. Minimum purchase. Very important also, know your customer, anti-money laundering requirements in the United States. You get to choose whether it will be required for all purchases, required above a certain threshold, or not required. Transfer restrictions. You can have a time-based lockup, you can have a vesting schedule, which you need to outline what it is, or no restrictions whatsoever, in which case lockup period does not apply. Jurisdictional restrictions. If you have certain things that are not allowed in jurisdictions like the United States or any sanctioned countries, you want to check those checkboxes. And once you get the document downloaded, keep in mind it's not set in stone. You can keep adding the commas and enter your own parameters, countries of exclusion. As far as dispute resolution, whether it's standard litigation, whether you want to have arbitration by the American Arbitration Association, whether you want to have mediation followed by arbitration, is up to you. Just click the button and the form updates accordingly. Token rights. This, of course, can be very important, and especially for how your token will be classified later by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Additional custom terms, you get to write in whatever they are. Disclaimers. I included the broad liability disclaimers that apply to all situations generally, but you may want to expand it to add the liability specific or dangerous risk specific to your tokens. So hopefully that makes sense. If not, contact me for a consultation.